369. The angel number 369 is a confirmation that your positive affirmations and the prayers have been acknowledged by the universe. And you can expect your desires to become manifesting into reality. Type yes if you are ready. You are being presented with a choice: evolve or remain. If you choose to remain unchanged, you will be presented with the same challenges, the same routine, the same storms, the same situations, until you learn from them, until you love yourself enough to say no more, until you choose change. If you choose to evolve, you will connect with the strength within you. You will explore what lies outside of the comfort zone. You will awaken to love. You will become. You will be. You have everything you need. Choose to evolve. Choose love.